Hello students, welcome again in your YouTube channel SANTU Guru, and today we are going to discuss about the factorization of such quadratic polynomials which coefficients are in radical signs, that means root 2, root 3 and such numbers. Before explaining this video, I will explain you about some important facts which are very important or very helpful for this video. Let root A into root a, these are very important for upcoming videos or next important chance, very important. So listen carefully, and actually this is for class 8th or 7th, clear? So root a into root a, do you know about this, yes or no? A, this is very important for class 8. And also you can write here a is equal to root a into root a, this is very important. And also root a to the whole square equal to, you can write here a, yes or no? Because as you know about root a equal to, you can write here a to the power 1 by 2, this root consists of 1 by 2. So this is very important. And suppose next important note also, wherever we have given root a, and as you know about this, it is the consisting of root a into root a, yes or no? And when you take out or take common from this a, root a, then remaining or rest will be root a only, yes or no? Suppose root 2 and root 2, this is equal to 2 multiplied by, and when you take out this 2 root 2, then remain number will be only, you have to rest root 2. Second thing, suppose root 6 is given, and when root 6 is given, and when you take out common, then you can write here at first in a splitting form root 2 into root 3, and when you take out root 2 as common with another number, then rest will be root 3, and when you take out root 3, then rest will be root 2. So these are the very important and very essential. Now start question. In this question we have given root 2x square plus 3x plus root 2. As by the rule you have to multiply this and this. So when you have to multiply root 2 into root 2x square, you get here root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, yes or no, into x square. And when you have to break out this one 2x square as the summation of 3, then you can write here 2x and x, yes or no? 2x plus x is equal to 3x, and 2x into x equal to 2x square. This is the result. Now you have to write here root 2x square plus 2x plus x plus root 2. Because of, you can write here 2x plus x instead of 3x, and when you have to multiply it, 2x into x equal to 2x square, 2x plus x is equal to x square, and 2x into x equal to 3x square. Now start here, take a common. Can write here 2 in the formation of root 2 into root 2? Yes. So take out here root 2 as common and also x. So here rest will be only x, and when you take out this root 2, here rest will be root 2. So write here plus root 2. Now take out here plus 1. So rest will be x plus root 2. So x plus root 2 and root 2x plus 1. Now next question. This is the next question of our. Start. Multiply first term into third term. So multiplication will be 5 3 is 15, and root 5 into root 5 equal to 5. So 15 into 5 is equal to 75. And this is the also breakable part, because when you have to add 15 plus 5 equal to 20, and multiply 15 into 5 equal to 75. So right here 5 root 5x square and plus 15x plus 5x plus 3 root 5. We have to write here 15x plus 5 instead of 20x, and when you add here 15x plus 5x equal to 20x, and when you have to multiply this one 15x into 5x is equal to 75x square, yes or no? So now start take out common. Can you take out common here in this format? 5, also here 5 and x, remainder numbers will be root 5x and plus 3. Now take out from here common, what is root 5, yes or no? Because you can write instead of 5 root 5 into root 5, and when you have to take out this root 5, your rest number will be root 5 only. So write here root 5x, and in this is in the common part, so only remainder will be 3. So root 5x plus 3 and 5x plus root 5, this is the answer. Now come on the next. This is our next question. In this question you have to given first term and third term is normal format, normal numbers, but here middle term is given in the root or surds form or radical forms. But before, in this question, first term and third term are in the radicals, but here middle term given in the roots or radical format. So no problem, start here. Just you have to break out this 60. This is very important breakable u4. Start. Can you write here roots 60 such that when you have to add the factors to get 7 root 6. So for getting this 7 root 6, or only you have to observe here root 6, you have to need here root 6, which is the radical numbers, which is the root number. So you have to write this 60 such a number, such a factors in which 6 is available, because when 6 is available, that means root 6 into root 6 also available in this 6. So can you write here 10 into 6? There are many factors of this 60, but we have to take only 10 into 6 because we have to need only root 6, and root 6 is given out from the 6 only. So only we have to take here 10 into 6 here. This is very important. So write here root 6 into root 6. Now can you break out this 5 into 2? Now we have to need here 7 root 6. So how do you take 7 root 6? Can you write here 5 root 6 and 2 root 6? When you have to add 5 plus 2, 7 root 6, and when you have to multiply 5 to the 10, and root 6 into root 6 equal to 6. So 5 to the 10 and root 6 into root 6 equal to 10, or 10 6 the 60. So this is the very important, 5 to the 6 and root 6 into root 6 equal to 6, or 10 6 the 60. So this is the very important. So write 7 root 6 instead of, start here, x square plus 5 root 6x plus 2 root 6x and plus 60. This is very important. Listen again carefully. Here is given 60 because of multiplication of first term and third term, and you have to split this 60 such that this root part comes in this section or factors. So taking this root 6, we have to need guarantee 6, because only 6 is the number from where we can take root 6. So we have to need obviously here 6. So we will have to write 60 as the product of 10 into 6. Suppose here given something something root 3. Suppose here given something root 3, then we can write here 20 into 3, because we can take root 3 from this 3. Yes or no? So this is very important. By which factors you are factorizing here? So 10 into 6, 6 is equal to root 6 into root 6, and when we have to break out this 10, 5 into 10, and when you take 5 root 6 and 2 root 6, 5 root 6, 10 root 6, 5 plus 2, 7 root 6 here, yes or no? And 5 to the 10 and root 6 into root 6 equal to 6, or 10 6 are 60. All are solved. So start here, take common, x common plus 5 root 6 plus take common. What is the common? देखो तो, start here, 2 root 6 common, 2 root 6 common. So remainder will be what? 5 root 6, yes or no? Because 5 into 2 into root 6 are the prime factors or normal factors of the 60. So when you take out 2 root 6, then your remainder will be 5 root 6. So right here 2 root 6 x plus 5 root 6. When you have to break out such a type, then very easy of this solving. So start here, x plus 5 root 6 and x plus 2 root 6. Now come for next question. Start. This is the next question. What is the product of first term into third term is equal to minus 20x square, and you have to need here 3 root 5. That means watch here only root 5. This is very important. So how can you break out this 20 such that we have to take here root 5? So can you write here 4 into 5, because in this 5 we have to take out root 5 easily, because 5 is written in the format of root 5 into root 5. So we can take out root 5 easily from this 5. So we have to need breakable this 20, 4 into 5. Now break this one such that we have to take 3 root 5. So it is never possible to get here 2 to 4, and never possible to get here 3 here. So we have to write instead of this one 4 into 1, also 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So can write this 4 root 5 and 1 root 5. So right here 4 root 5 and 1 root 5. So 4 root 5 or minus 1 root 5 is equal to 3 root 5. Easily we get here, and multiplied here 4 1 ja 4, 5 root 5 into 5 equal to 5, 5 4 ja 20. So right here x square minus what is 4 root 5, this is greater because we have to need here minus 3, and plus what is, also you can write here root 5 1 instead of 1, you can break this one or break out this one. So right here root 5 and what is x and minus 20. Now take out common here, what is x common, take out x minus 4 root 5 plus take out this root 5 common as, and when you have to take out this root 5 common, then rest will be what is 4 and root 5. So right here minus 4 root 5. So answer is x minus 4 root 5 and x plus root 5. Very good. Now come on, next question. Let's start. This is very important question also. This is VBI question. What is the product of first term into last term? So 3 2 ja 6x square, yes or no? So can you break out this 6 as a product of to get here 6x square, and after addition 2 root 6. So we have to need here breakable this one root 6 into root 6 only. This is the method by which we can take out root 6, yes or no? So start. Right here 3x square and minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2. Start. Minus root 6 minus root 6 minus 2 root 6x multiplied here minus minus plus root 6 into root 6 equal to 6, 6x square also get here. Now take out here from common. Can you imagine here, you have to write here root 6 is equal to root 3 into root 2 also, and also instead of 3 we can write root 3 into root 3, yes or no? Also you can write here root 2 into root 3, and also you can write instead of 2 root 2 into root 2. This is a very breakable part, very important. Now take out common here, what is common? Both root 3, yes or no? So take out common here root 3x. What is the remainder here? Only root 3. Very good. Also x. What is the remainder here? Plus minus, yes, minus root 2. Now take out here at first minus, because minus is here, and also what is the common? Root 2 common. So take out here root 2. What is the remainder? At first root 3 is remainder, and what is next x, and plus root 2 is also, both are same. This is very easy. Sorry, we have to write here minus sign, because we have to take here minus sign. So we have to take a minus sign. Root 3x minus root 2 and root 3x minus root 2. Also you can write here root 3x minus root 2 the whole square. This is the last question, and there are variety types of questions also given. Last question I have given you in this video. This is very easy breakable also. This is third type of question for this video, in which first term, third term and also middle term are in the root part. So no problem. Multiply here. What is multiplication? Root 3 into root 3, 3, and 3 2 ja 6 minus 6 square. Can you break out this one to get here 2? So can write here 3 into 2, because we have to need here root 2. So you have to mandatory to write in the multiplication of 3 into 2, because only 2 is the number by which we can get root 2 into root 2. Now break out this 3 in the format of 3 into 2, and we have to need here 2. So this is not possible to get here 2. So we have to write here 3 into 1 also. Chalo, stop this and write here 3 root 2 and 1 root 2. That means only you can write here root 2. So the 3 root 2 minus root 2 equal to 2 root 2 minus here and plus here x, yes or no? And write root 3x square and minus 2 root 3. Start here, take out common. When you take out root 3x common, remainder will be x minus root 6, because watch here, listen carefully, root 3 is common, yes or no? And when you have to take out from this root 3 into root 3, and root 3 is common out, yes or no? So remainder will be root 3 into root 2. So root 3 into root 2 equal to root 6. Now start. Root 2 is common. Also you can write here root 2 into root 2. When you have to take out this common, this is the remainder and also this is the remainder. So remainder will be x minus root 2 into root 3 equal to root 6. So x minus root 6 and root 3 x plus root 2 solved. So these are the very important questions for all type of examinations for 9th, 10th and 11th, 12th also. So this is the last question of this typical questions. Typical and typical both are the same, and we will meet in the next video for such a type of questions, for such type of factorization in which cubic polynomials are included. So stop this video now and we will meet next day. Thank you watching for video.